In this video, we're going to look at the control center we have available to us on the Apple TV. With the control center, we're able to switch between different users. We can put our Apple TV to sleep. We can even switch our audio. Let's take a look at the control center on the Apple TV. Let's go to my Apple TV. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, the Apple TV has a control center. This control center gives access to various controls. We can switch between our different users. The Apple TV does handle multiple users. We can switch to a different audio. Maybe I want to listen to my Apple TV through my AirPods. We can access our search. We can even access our favorite scenes from HomeKit. To access our control center, all we need to do is just long press or press and hold on the TV button on the remote. As you do this, the control center will appear from the right side of your TV. I can switch between my different users. I can put my Apple TV to sleep. I can resume any audio that I was listening to, any music that I was listening to. And then if I want to switch audio, maybe I want to switch to my AirPods Pro, I select this. And I can select how I want to listen to my Apple TV. To go back, you just hit the back button on your remote and you're back at your control center. If you're using HomeKit, you can access your favorite scenes. I select this, and now I'm looking at my different scenes here. Again, I press the back button to go back. I want to search my Apple TV. I just go down to the search here. I use a trackpad to get to that selection. I press on select. And now I can search my Apple TV. How do we switch users? Well, let's go back. When you're coming back from search, it does not go back to the control center, so now I have to long press on the TV button on the remote. I long press on it. We have my control center. From here, I just select which user I want. So if I wanted to switch to Dan's Tutorials, I just select this, and now it just switched to a different user. So that's how we access our control center on the Apple TV. All we basically have to do is just long press on the TV button that's on our remote. When we do that, we're going to have access to various controls. This includes switching between our different user accounts. We can put our Apple TV to sleep. We can resume any audio. We can switch to different audio such as AirPods Pro. We can access our favorite HomeKit scenes, and then we have easy access to search. So that's our control center on the Apple TV.